welcome back my YouTube channel. How to clean a TV screen for picture perfect viewing. There is so much great content on the TV nowadays, from the new show on Apple TV Plus to all the trailers, sharing dramas, and of course vary on the pioneer woman. But no matter what you are turning into, there not nothing that can spoil the evening faster than a directory television. If you like most vlogs, you probably paid big bucks for this all improvement price of entertainment equipment, only to discover sooner rather that your crystal clear pictures has been hijacked by dust threat or even a great finger friends. Linkly, we here to answer all your question about how to clean a TV screen. After all this crucial to know how to correctly care for today technology advance. They like LCD liquid crystal display and OLED organic highlighting, intermittent solid TV, which are more sensitive than old stable TV, even Plymouth television, which even been manufactured since 2014, have a delicate anti-caloric coating that needs to be treated with kid goals, just like your experience and like experience your to TV to needs to be properly cancelled to so it will fast. So, what is the best way to clean a flat screen TV? According to failure owner on the scans and frequencies, you should also sure you're keeping up with the cleaning your screen there, then lighting game or commented on it. Often TV is a used environment, it is, and the persistence of pairs of no smokers, but as a general rule I suggest cleaning your TV at latest. सो आई होप लोग वीडियो अच्छी लगी लाइक करिए शेयर कीजिए, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए